So this is my picture of our friend, the seagull, who has been pecking at our window to get us to give him some food. And I think he's going to do it right now. Oh, look at that. See? He's telling us he wants to have some more food. He's quite a good friend. And he's quite beautiful. Aren't you? Quite beautiful. And you have a friend, another friend who's over here, who just flew in. And here we are at the coast. And it's a really pretty sky out. But it's been mostly, that's the sound of the bird pecking at the window, that little bumping sound. He may do it again if I'm lucky. See? So anyway, we're at the coast, looking at the window, and we've had a really nice little quiet stay at the beach. And it's been terrible, terrible windy weather, but that's been okay since we have a window that looks out on a beautiful beach. And here's Rick over here. He's waving to say hello to you. Say hello, Rick. Look happy.
Say hello.
That's Rick's imitation of being happy. He's been okay, haven't you?
Okay.
Yeah.
Haven't I been okay?
You have been okay. Yes, and he's learning how to use his iPad, which is really good. Really good. And now we'll go back to our friends, the birds. That's that beating sound. He wants some more food, huh? These two birds really seem to run this place over here. But thank you. It's been nice to meet you. I wish I could come up with names. I don't know, George, maybe George. George the bird. All right. You're very beautiful, even though you're kind of a pest. It's been fun. And last look at that pretty rock formation over there. There's a lighthouse. If you see it in the very, very back, there's a nice lighthouse. And that's our trip to Cannon Beach.